Hi, this is Christy with The Details in Me. Let me take you into my garage where I can show you
Mom,
the life of...
Can you wash these things? Can you wash these too? Can you wash these too, please? Bye.
Where I can show you the life of a detailing mommy. Who do they think I am? Forget these clothes. But let me show you what I really like to wash. Come with me. So if you're like me, you already know what I really love to wash. Shall we? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you on a little wash and talk and let you know a little bit about myself and how I even got here. You know, all my life I've struggled with anxiety, and during COVID, it really hit me that, you know, things just weren't right, and I had no idea what to do with myself. I was crawling out of my skin, and I realized that, you know, I needed to find something that would calm me down. So my kids were into YouTube. Therefore, I thought, you know what? Maybe I should be into YouTube too. And so what I did is I got on and all of a sudden noticed that there were detailing videos in my feed. And with that, I started watching. And I realized that, wow, I'm really enjoying this. I realized that I could literally put on a video, find comfort, find peace, find solace. I realized that my anxiety just kind of dissipated, and I was amazed by it. I could actually put on a video and fall asleep knowing that I was going to be okay. And I thought that was something. So what did I do? I started learning. I had no idea, but I realized one day, you know what? I'm kind of answering the questions that these fellow YouTubers are asking in the comments. I felt like I was literally answering questions that the you know, people making the video were asking the audience, and I was like, wow, I feel like I'm learning something and maybe I can do this. So I got my hands on literally anything I could. You know, Walmart, Amazon, and I started detailing my own car. And lo and behold, I loved it. I enjoyed it. It was such an amazing thing to me. It just put me at such peace. If I needed to get away from the world, this is where I was going, into the garage or into the driveway, washing my car. I didn't have to be around anybody. I didn't have to talk to anybody. I could just be in my own space, and it was beautiful. Now, I loved it so much, don't get me wrong, that I tried to get around family members, and if they would let me come to their driveway, I'd go wash their cars. Or if I could get them to come to my driveway, I would wash their cars. And it was just something that I continuously enjoyed, and it was amazing to me. And the minute COVID was over, I just continued. I got my hands on whatever products I could, and I just continued on the journey, and it just has been such a joy for me. And I finally was confident enough to think, hey, I could do this to somebody else's car, no problem. And you know, being a single mom of 4, it doesn't hurt to make a little extra buck. So that is kind of where I am and where I want to continue to be. I then got onto YouTube thinking that, you know what, this is something that I could really do. I could really show people what I'm learning. I could show people how much fun this is. I could show people that this is such a great way to get away if that's what's needed. And I could just share my experience with the world. That's what my YouTube channel is all about. You know, am I trying to gain followers? Not necessarily. Do I want to be the biggest channel? That really never crossed my mind. But Do I want people to watch my videos and enjoy detailing as much as I do, or at least see how much I love detailing? Yeah, that's kind of my goal here. I never thought that it would come to this. I never thought in a million years that I would be here, but here I am, and I'm loving every minute. So what am I expecting from this? I guess that's my final question. What do I want out of DIY tuber? What do I want out of this experience with YouTube? And I thought about that. And it all comes back to the same thing. I just want to have fun. I just want to have fun. I want to experience something new. I want to experience something that brings me joy and love and light. I want to share that with the world. I want to learn from two of the biggest mentors, Ivan and, sorry, let me shut that off there. Ivan and Nick. I mean, how amazing is it to be doing what I love and to also learn from two of the greatest? I can't think of anything better. DIY Tuber was an amazing idea. I'm so happy to be a part of it. I cannot imagine life without detailing. I cannot imagine life without joy. I cannot imagine life without peace. And that's what this brings me. So I'm going to keep on. I'm going to keep on. I hope that you will join me and these 4 others for the ride. I have some great competition. And honestly, I don't even feel like it's competition. I feel like we have already built such a camaraderie that this is just going to be an amazing experience for us all. I'm so looking forward to where this takes us. I hope that we all have your support. I hope that you will come on this ride with us and on this journey and appreciate as much as we do this thing called detailing. Please make sure that you tune into my videos. They are going to be aired or premiered every Monday at 5 o'clock my time, 7 o'clock Central Time, and 8 o'clock Eastern Time. I would love for you to join me on this ride. It's going to be a good one. Thank you for watching. Bye.